You've probably heard this 1,000 times. Acidity? Just take omeprazole. And yes, omeprazole does give quick relief. But what if I told you that these days, many people are stepping away from daily pills and turning toward a natural drink? A drink that's helping them manage heartburn, acidity, and that burning feeling in the stomach, without relying on daily medication. It's a very simple drink, something you can make right in your kitchen in just 2 minutes. No prescription, no heavy chemicals, no lifelong dependency. It's called the apple cider vinegar drink. And believe me, when people start using it the right way, their first reaction is often, "Why didn't I know about this sooner?" But there's one very important thing you need to know, and this is exactly where most people go wrong. If you try this drink just by hearing the name, without understanding it or using it the wrong way, you may see no benefit at all, or your acidity could actually get worse than before. Incomplete information, especially when it comes to your gut and digestion, can quickly turn into harm. So please, don't watch this video casually. Pay close attention and follow it till the end, because one small mistake can flip the entire result. Apple cider vinegar may look like a simple sour liquid, but its effect is anything but simple. Where omeprazole forces stomach acid to shut down, this natural drink works differently. It helps bring your digestive system back into balance. And here's a shocking truth: many people don't realize a lot of acidity does not come from too much stomach acid. It often happens because the stomach is actually low on acid. When acid levels are low, food doesn't digest properly. Gas builds up, pressure moves upward, and reflux begins. That's why some people say, even after taking omeprazole, I still don't feel relief. Now here's the difference. Apple cider vinegar can help switch digestion back on. Inside the stomach, it gently signals the system to wake up. As a result, the digestive process slowly activates, bloating begins to ease, food moves out of the stomach faster, and the chances of reflux may go down. That's why these days, many people on social media are seriously discussing this drink as a natural support option alongside conventional treatments. And now, let me share a short but inspiring story with you. This is Sarah. She's 41. She works an office job. Her daily routine looked like this: coffee, late lunches, constant stress, and at night, a daily battle with acidity and heartburn. Her doctor prescribed omeprazole. It helped, at first. But every time she tried to stop the medication, the acid came back even stronger. "It felt like I couldn't live without that pill," she said, surprised herself. Then one day, she watched a video by a nutritionist. It mentioned the apple cider vinegar drink. At first, she was skeptical. How could something sour make acidity better, she thought. But this time, she decided to try it the right way, just as the nutritionist explained. The first week, nothing dramatic happened. But after 10 days, Sarah began to notice changes. Her stomach felt lighter, bloating had reduced, and her nighttime heartburn was almost gone. Within 3 weeks, and with her doctor's guidance, she slowly reduced her omeprazole. And Sarah said, "This wasn't magic. My gut was finally working in its natural rhythm again." Now let's talk about the right way to use apple cider vinegar. Drink step by step. Step 1. Choose the right ACV. Always go for raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is the most natural and active form. Step 2. Never drink it straight. Mix 1 teaspoon of ACV into 1 glass of lukewarm water. This gently activates your stomach without irritation. Step 3. Timing matters. Drink it either 15-20 minutes before breakfast or before a heavy meal. This helps prepare your digestive system. Step 4. Start slow. If you have a sensitive stomach, begin with 1/2 teaspoon, then slowly work your way up to 1 teaspoon. Step 5. Consistency is key. You don't need it every day. 4 to 5 times a week is enough. This routine helps your gut find its natural balance. Important note: avoid this drink without medical guidance if you have stomach ulcers, severe gastritis, or if you're pregnant. This is not a direct replacement for omeprazole, but for many people, it has become a supportive natural option alongside medical care. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar? And which country are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I truly love seeing our health-aware community spread across the world. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Share it with someone who depends on acidity pills every day. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for natural health insights, gut awareness, and real-life wellness stories. Remember, your body is not your enemy. Sometimes it just needs the right signal. And maybe this simple drink is the beginning of that signal.